This is exactly how I fixed that it says that my mobile device is not supported on Fortnite. So what I had to do is that I had to firstly close the Fortnite app, and instead I went to the settings app on my phone here, as you can see. And now on my settings app, I scrolled down, I clicked on general, and then I clicked on software update. So you need to make sure that your software update, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or Android, make sure that it's up to date. Now after you're done, click on storage here instead. So now on storage here, click on applications, the search button here, and then just search for Fortnite and click on the Fortnite app. Then click on Upload App, and once again in here, click on Upload App. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, so we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds, and then we're gonna click on Reinstall App. So this might take a while now, but sometimes you have to also click on the app here just to force it to reinstall here, as you can see. This will not, or this shouldn't log you out of your account, just so you know. What will happen instead is that you're gonna see it says loading here. What will happen instead is that you're going to get the most up-to-date version for your Fortnite mobile app. And this can also fix this issue for you, just so you know. So try this, and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.